this is in on 5th right here. Okay, we got the valet parking here. And then that's Ocean Prime. So this is 5th Avenue right here. And there's always the craziest cars, like this Bentley here, for example, Porsches. But check this out. Usually, today's Monday. Usually on a weekend though, it's busy and it's packed with supercars here. But again, this is a Monday, so it's kind of crazy. But look what just showed up to the party, an SVJ. And it's freaking wild. Check this out, man. Look how beautiful this thing is. This thing is gorgeous. Look at that. Look at the exhaust. Oh, sexy carbon fiber top, the wing, the wheels. The inlet on the wheels is actually carbon fiber. This is beautiful. And then we got, that's a nice Rover. The blue color is cool. But yeah, there's just a variety of freaking cars here. Even a lot, you see a lot of these too. These are actually very popular here too. But and then they got the Moki. Look at the Moki. That's so cool. Look at that. That's sick. AMG GLE 53. I'm gonna cross the street really quick so you can get your view of the side of the Lamborghini in a minute here. But yeah, as soon as traffic clears up, I'll cross over there right now. But you'll see an unlimited amount of Bentleys and Rolls Royces here at all times. But look, check that out. Look at this angle. That's so sick. That's a really cool SVJ, guys. Love the color of that, in my opinion. But anyways, yeah, as you can see, I was telling you guys, that hotel is called Inn on 5th. And again, we are here on a Monday, so it's not as busy, but usually Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, you'll see a row of supercars lined up right there like that. Today we have a Bentley though, and that's because they offer valet parking here, so it's easier for them. But let's go back this way again, cross over the street, and get another shot of that SVJ, because it looks sick. It looks sick. It looks freaking sick. It is sick. It's beautiful, man. You know, I keep telling you guys, Lamborghini is one of my favorite brands of all times, and it is for sure. It is my favorite brand, to be honest with you. Second is Ferrari, you know, as you can see by the hat, Ferrari Naples, and then third is Porsche. But thank you. But yeah, look at this. Look at the side of this thing. It's just wild, dude. It's a wild car. And I'll go through the front too, and we'll get a shot of the front of the car so you can see how it looks. Look at this. That looks so sick. The owners are actually enjoying their delicious dinner, but I'm enjoying this. Thanks guys for bringing this thing out. So yeah, as you can see, the Bentley, it's beautiful, right? Are you guys Bentley fans? Are you guys old people? No, I'm just playing. This is beautiful too. And then we'll go this way and we'll explore over here so you guys can see the beautiful lighting that they have down in downtown 5th Avenue here on Naples. But yeah, Ocean Prime is always busy, man. A ton of restaurants I have down here too. This is new. I know it's a newer restaurant. But yeah, you see, look at that. Look at that guy. Cruising. For bruising. And we have a Fiat Abarth and then a regular Fiat that looks like mine. I actually have one of those guys. And the cars continue. We got, look at that Porsche over there. That is sick. Oh, this is pretty cool. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this decor. That is sick. I like this. Have an entire yacht dealership here where you can literally design your own yacht for a shit ton of money. Look how much it costs to rent this per week. Say what? Wow. That's freaking wild, dude. But there you go. They have it. They have it here. So again, fancy restaurants, fancy decor places, and just fancy everything here. Something's wrong with my boy's Rari here. What's wrong with this 360? He's got his emergent lights on. Better pull over, buddy. Pull over right here, man. Pull over. Go into Maserati and Bentley of Naples here. Oh, what happened? The other day they had a really cool Tesla Cybertruck right there, and now it's gone. I have to go look for it. I have to go find it. So as soon as we get clearance here, guys, we're gonna turn right in here and we're gonna go check out a few cars in here so you guys can take a look of what they offered out here in Southwest Florida. So let's do a little spinner wheel like this, and then a lot of Rolls Royces, dude. That's one thing of Naples. You're gonna see a ton of Bentleys and a ton of Rolls Royces. Ooh, lamp truck. That's beautiful. Oh, look at that. That's a cool color. Oh my goodness. They have all the best of the best here. How the F do you get around here? I've never been to the dealership before, guys, so bear with me here, okay? I gotta find parking. Park at the end, maybe. Let's see. Customer parking over here? Maybe, maybe not. We'll see. All right, let's park first and then we'll get in there, okay? What drew my attention, guys, driving on Time Miami 41 South was this car right here. Look at the color palette on this Aston Martin. Holy smokes. This is definitely a fucking UFO. It's gotta be, man. Wow. You can see this thing from a mile away, man. See, they have a ton of Aston Martins, Maseratis, Bentleys, and a bunch of Rolls Royces over there. They have a cool lamp truck there. But yeah, dude, that thing looks like a spaceship. It's so nuts. Oh my God. I showed you guys 5th Avenue in Naples. Now I'm gonna show you the Mercado here in North Naples. This is where they host that event called Cars and Coffee 239, where this whole section here is lined up with supercars. I think the event is every 3rd Sunday of the month. And yeah, the whole strip that way is full of supercars. It's the coolest thing ever, man. I haven't been able to come to one of those events because, you know, I'm never here on the 3rd Sunday of the month, but it's supposed to be really, really cool. Maybe one day we'll be able to show up and join the guys over here at Cars and Coffee 239. I'm excited for it, which is freaking cool, dude. Like I said, this whole thing is full of supercars, and it actually goes all the way down that way, and it fills up the strip all the way to the entrance, which is freaking awesome, dude. I gotta post some pictures for you guys. You can see them right now here, where I'm talking about. But it's the coolest thing ever. Anyways, we're like on the top, on the terrace here. Restaurants on there, but they also have this cool Jurassic Park and like different kind of movie situation going on here. Look how cool this thing. This thing is giant, man. Oh my God. Jaws. It's a pretty cool T-Rex. Oh wow. It's like a happy. Wow, look at that. That is so cool. Look at that. And then this. That's so cool, man. Wow, this is awesome. It's like a golf thing. Happy Land. You can do miniature golfing here. It's so nice, man. Definitely gotta come and check this out and do the whole entire thing. But anyways, yeah. You guys gotta come check this place out. It's pretty cool. I think what gets me is this huge dinosaur that's sitting here. I wanna take it home. So yeah, like I said, guys, this is the area where they would line up cars right here. Kind of like how this Cadillac is sitting here. But just picture the entire strip that way, full of cars on both sides. And then this way, same thing. It's freaking cool, dude. Coolest thing ever. So hopefully I can come one day and join this event. Cars and Coffee 329.